Think that's the fastest unboxing I've ever done. Welcome back. Now it's time to do another Parkside video. This time on cordless compressor slash air pump. Okay, so let's start with the basic on these Parkside tools. When you see 20V marking on the package, then you need to purchase separately the power supply and the battery. But you might remember from my older videos that there are a lot of devices that utilize the same charger and the battery, so it's actually quite a good system. So what is this designed for? Well, simply put, it's an air pump, air compressor for multiple different uses. This should be able to fill things like air mattresses and go even up to car tires. So let's get to unboxing. The device, manuals, think that's the fastest unboxing I've ever done. Okay, back here is the slot for the battery. Like that. On the top, there's a little on-off switch for the light.
Wow.
So yeah, there's a flashlight if you want to do something in the dark. It's actually quite good. Not that bright though, but helpful. Then on this side, the high pressure pipe. So this is what you need when you are putting air to things like car tires, bike tires, things like that. And here, well, this is the pipe that you need when you are inflating things like air mattresses, beach toys, things like that. There's a different hose for different things, and this connects to here, like this. All right, and here in the front, different kind of noses for different kind of things. Smaller arm mattresses, if you need to inflate a football or something like that. And then this is adapter for some bike tires that you might need. Good. All right. On the top, there is a switch where you will choose, do you wanna inflate the air mattresses? Sorry about that. Or putting the other way, the high pressure pipe for the car tires. Here you put it on. Actually, this is where you put on the pump, but this is where you put on the panel. Here you define how much of pressure you want to put in. And then when you put it on here, it will inflate until the target is reached. I will show that later on. Okay, now we're done with unboxing. Let's get to pumping. Let's start with car tires. Just clip in the high pressure pipe, define the pressure and start the pump. It will keep pumping air until the defined pressure has been reached. Simple. Okay, now let's give it a test for a football. This needs a different kind of a hose. And to finish the show, a bike tire. No, like I said, this needs an extra adapter because I have an older bike. Not all of the bikes might not need the adapter. Okay, so I don't have any air mattresses or beach toys to test the other side of the pump, but as the high pressure works quite well, I don't have any doubts that the less powerful thing wouldn't work. Overall, I love the mobility of this device. It's easy to take around, doesn't weigh much, and works with the battery for a quite long time. Overall, I was able to inflate all 4 car tires, the football, and the bike, and the battery went down only to 75%. I would have hoped that this would have been a little more powerful, as it takes a while to inflate car tires, but then again, it's a mobile device working with a battery. But still, I like this tiny thing. Thanks for watching, guys.